now listening to the mad scientist.
Yazi umuntu udlaliwe, Hhay kabili kathath umdali Aibo Ma, yazi umuntu uhambile, Ngilibel amantombazane, Besengithi ngimtholile, kanti Oka Sipho, Oka Mandla, Oka Spha Khuza, umdali mina sengbonile, Kusemhlabeni la. So I gotta live to the fullest. Ngilibel namajita, ngikhohlwe umjolo. Ak'zon izinto zami lezi, Ak'zon izinto zami, Ak'zon izinto zami lezi ngangayibhokhi. So I gotta live to the fullest. Ngilibel namajita, ngikhohlwe umjolo. Ak'zon izinto zami lezi, Ak'zon izinto zami, Ak'zon izinto zami lezi ngangayibhokhi. I'ma tell all these bad boys to stay far away from good girls like you. Please tell all these bad girls to stay far away, Good boys like me, yeah, like me. 'Cause when good girls meet good boys, they ain't trusting no more. When good boys meet good girls, they ain't trusting no more. 'Cause when good boys meet good girls, they ain't trusting no more. When good girls meet good boys, they ain't trusting no more. Sekwanele, Hhay
go in circles and I just figured that this is not okay.
Up and down, we side to side. Can't you see that this ain't going our way?
I hope you understand.
Anginkinga ngiyakweseka, ela uthumele lo myalezo koza kwena. Angadlaleli inganene.
I'ma tell all these bad girls to stay far away from good boys like you. Please tell all these bad boys to stay far away from good girls like me. 'Cause when good girls meet good boys, they ain't trusting no more.
When good boys meet good girls, they ain't trusting no more.
When good girls meet good boys, they ain't trusting no more.
When good boys meet good girls, they ain't trusting no more.